Model, 66-plate Ford Ranger Limited MSRT 4X4 3.2 TDCI automatic spares OR repairs Euro 6 body, black 4x4 mileage, 88,375 MOT. The 11th of January 2024 engine, 3,198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCI S6 transmission, automatic mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Not your average Ford Ranger. This is a MSRT and has a lot of added extras: aftermarket bumpers, front and rear light bar, side steps, gloss black alors and roll bar. Model number is RG26. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear.